Hello guys, today I will show you all my class guns. There is Groza, Magnum, Bayonet T11. This is my first loadout. This is my second loadout with MG3 M1911. My third loadout GPMG Bayonet and AKS 74U, and my four without ATTF. Okay, I unlock all of these guns because I buy with real coins. I buy coins with real money, and if you want to have a good suit, you must buy coins. And I buy and Groza and minigun, you see, but there is always green, not black, behind the weapon, like here. And when I will on level 33, I will buy with gold machete, and I don't want to buy sniper because I will buy golden dragon when I buy coins. And this is all about class gun. You have on class gun tier 2, tier 3, tier 4. The biggest tire is biggest damage 268, 234, 159, 122, you see, over there 275, 537. Best bigger tire, bigger damage. And also there is armor, and no, this is all about class guns. In my next video I will be tell you how to buy coins, and I don't know. Goodbye.